Hey everyone, Crypto Tony here for Upside Down, and this video is all about how to use LYFTOFF Oscillator.
Hello LYFTOFF members, this is Upside Down here. I have an exciting announcement for you. A major update to the oscillator was just dropped into TradingView. What does this mean? Well, it's bigger and better than ever. I'm going to run you through a fast review of the core feature updates. The first is that the oscillator now includes in the center here bull and bear momentum. Now this is actually another proprietary indicator of ours. It's been a long favorite of mine, and I think it's finally fulfilled its purpose in life by being mixed within the oscillator here to show how price action is moving. The second big feature is the skim profit, take profit scoring system. So I thought long and hard about the best way to show strength of skim profit and take profit signals. And I came up with a formula to essentially rank these between 0 and 3. A 0 score is just about worthless. Usually nothing happens after a skim profit or a take profit has been triggered with a score of 0. As you can see right here, this is a great example. Not much happened. 1 is weak, 2 is medium, 3 is strong. 3 is very strong. As you can see, there are no 3s on the current chart. But if we were to go to a higher time frame, here we go. Perfect. This was 7th of September, giant, massive drop down. And you can see that this TP signal has an additional highlight running around it right there. That is the strong signal. What is interesting in this version is it's configurable. So if we were to go into settings, by default, I have the score threshold defaulted to 3. You can tune this down to see more strong signals. If I take it down to 2, you will see more of these that are marked as 2 will pop up like this. You can even do some real fun stuff if you dig into the settings where you can hide weak signals so that you only are getting indication of what's happening with strong signals in the market. I would not suggest following this as a single signal. It's important that traders always consider the totality of the chart and all liftoff indicators and price action when making trading decisions. That's it for scoring. The final feature that is in the system is a true long-term momentum line or high time frame lookup of the actual momentum. So that is this light gray shade that's going along on the chart as we go along. So this is a 2-hour chart with a longer momentum line going. You can see when this TP signal is up here, it is very, very, very high. And again, if we come down here, this is a great example in the 2-hour chart. When we come down here, it is very low. So it's the same idea as TP and SP on our old version. It's just giving you more data to make more decisions. A more detailed video of the oscillator, all these conditions, and how to use it will follow. I just wanted to make sure that I dropped you a quick guide on how to use this and what you were looking at so that you could make sound trading decisions. That's it for today. Happy trading.